Hello everyone. In this video, we will explain in detail about hometown tax. By using this system, you can not only contribute to the community and save on taxes, but also enjoy local specialties. In addition, we will delve into the specific procedures, points that can be used by foreigners, and information on noteworthy return gifts. If you watch this video until the end, you will be able to fully understand and utilize the appeal of hometown tax. Please stay with us until the end. Chapter 1. What is hometown tax? Hometown tax is a system that allows you to receive income tax and resident tax deductions by making donations to the local government you want to support. Since each local government will give you return gifts such as local specialties, according to the amount of your donation, you can contribute to the community and obtain local specialties at a great price at the same time. The purpose of this system is to correct regional disparities and support local governments. Another major feature is that you can support the community through donations. So it is not just a simple donation, but also a major feature that you can deepen your connection with the local government. In addition, the local specialties provided by local governments reflect the characteristics and charms of each region, and can also be an opportunity to experience the culture and nature of Japan. For example, many gifts are offered that are full of value unique to the region, such as local specialty products and traditional crafts from tourist attractions. Hometown tax is also a very effective way to rediscover the charm of the region, by getting the opportunity to experience the culture and nature of the region. Through local specialty products, you can also become aware of the diverse charms of Japan. Hometown tax is also fun because you can choose the local government to donate to, and donors can feel satisfied by knowing how their donations will be used. It is also important as a way for local governments to become independent and promote the charm of their region. And the wide range of options is a major attraction of the system for donors. Chapter 2. Tax-saving effects of hometown tax. When you make a hometown tax donation, the amount of the donation minus 2,000 yen is deducted from your income tax and resident tax. For example, if you donate 30,000 yen, 28,000 yen will be deductible, and your actual self-payment will be 2,000 yen. However, there is an upper limit to the deduction amount, which varies depending on your income and family structure, so it is important to simulate it in advance. For high-income earners, it is important to use it wisely, as it can provide a huge tax-saving effect. Furthermore, hometown tax can be used to allocate the tax you pay to the local government you want to support, so it is also an opportunity to deepen your understanding and interest in how your taxes are used. Many portal sites offer a deduction simulation tool for beginners, which can be used to easily determine the amount of donation that suits you. In addition, the procedures for receiving tax deductions can be smoothly carried out through a dedicated guide, so even first-time users can feel at ease. In addition, I recommend Rakuten Hometown Tax. With Rakuten Hometown Tax, by utilizing high return point systems such as shopping marathons, the actual burden of 2,000 yen is offset by point rebates, and it is also possible to earn more points. This makes it a very advantageous system, in which you can essentially receive a gift for free while also earning points. It is a particularly attractive option for Rakuten users, as it combines simplicity of procedure with value. In addition, by utilizing such high return systems, you can further expand the fun and benefits of hometown tax. In addition to tax savings, please try experiencing the sense of value of using points. Furthermore, as the use of hometown tax increases, competition between regions becomes more active, and new initiatives that take advantage of the characteristics of each municipality may be born. Through such effects, taxpayers themselves can use the system while feeling a sense of social significance, which is a major attraction. Chapter 3. A variety of attractive return gifts. One of the attractions of hometown tax is that you can receive local specialties as return gifts. In the 2024 ranking of popular return gifts, Hokkaido Okhotsk, sea scallops cold large 1 kg from Manbetsu City, Hokkaido, has won first place for the 6th consecutive year. In addition, thick-cut beef tongue salt-flavored 1 kg from Hanamaki City, Iwate Prefecture, and 2 bunches of shine musket, about 1 kg from Yamanashi City, Yamanashi Prefecture, are also ranked high. In addition, some regions offer experiential return gifts, such as hot spring accommodation, tickets, and traditional craft experiences, which can be special experiences that you cannot normally experience. Being able to experience the culture and charm of the region through return gifts is a unique pleasure of hometown tax. Depending on how you choose your gift, you can feel even more valued by choosing foods that can be stored for a long time, or products that are useful in daily life. Gifts not only convey the charm of the region, but also play a role in revitalizing the local economy. For example, receiving fresh agricultural products supports local agriculture and provides an opportunity to widely spread the appeal of local specialty products. As a donor, you can feel connected to the region through the gift you choose, so it is widely recognized as a system with high satisfaction. Chapter 4: How to apply for hometown tax donations. Hometown tax donations are processed at the offices of each local government, or through a dedicated portal site. After donating, you can receive a tax deduction by filing a tax return. But if you are a salaried worker and donate to 5 or fewer local governments, you can receive a deduction on your resident tax, without filing a tax return by using the one-stop special system. The procedure for hometown tax donations for foreigners is the same as for Japanese people. By using a dedicated portal site, you can easily select the donation destination and complete the procedure. However, in order to receive a tax deduction, you must reside in Japan and pay Japanese income tax and resident tax. After making a donation, you will need to receive a donation receipt and file a tax return if necessary. Some portal sites are also multilingual, and the process will go more smoothly if you use the English guide. You can also understand how your donation is being used by checking the use report, published by the recipient municipality. Many donors feel even more satisfied when they learn how their donations are being used. Furusato Nozei is also characterized by its flexibility in the process, making it a system that can be used by a wide range of people, from beginners to experienced donors. You can also enjoy comparing the unique initiatives and benefit information of each municipality, and choosing the donation plan that is best for you. Chapter 5: Contributing to the community with Furusato Nozei. Furusato Nozei leads to regional revitalization and financial support for municipalities. Donations are used in a variety of fields, including regional industrial development, welfare, and education. For example, donations used to promote agriculture can lead to the creation of new brand vegetables, and educational support can lead to the improvement of school facilities. In addition, some municipalities also use donations for disaster recovery, support, and environmental conservation activities. When making a donation, you can make a more meaningful contribution to the community by choosing the local government and field you want to support. There is also the enjoyment of watching the growth and changes of the local government that the donor himself chose, and it is attracting attention as a form of long-term community support. Hometown tax is a great way to build a win-win relationship, where you support the community while also benefiting yourself. Through this system, more people have the potential to contribute to the revitalization of the community. It is also expected that by learning about the challenges and needs of the community through this system, people will become more aware of the need to contribute to society. Have you understood the appeal of hometown tax and the specific procedures? Please make a donation once and enjoy contributing to the community and enjoying the local specialty products at a great price. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and rate it highly. In the next video, we will explain in more detail how to use hometown tax and other tax saving measures, so don't miss it. Thank you for watching.